There is nothing worse than waiting forever for your backyard pizza oven to reach the perfect cooking temperature, only to watch all that precious, wood-fired heat escape into the open air the second a breeze rolls through. Trying to bake a perfect Neapolitan pizza, roast a chicken, or bake artisanal bread without a proper door makes it incredibly difficult to maintain steady, uniform temperature inside the dome, which usually results in a burnt topping and a raw, doughy crust. The Simon Store stainless steel pizza oven door completely solves this heat loss headache, acting as a heavy-duty thermal shield that locks in extreme temperatures so you can achieve that perfect, bubbly crust every single time. Forged from high-grade, heavy-duty stainless steel, this 20-inch by 11-inch door is built to effortlessly withstand blistering heat without warping or rusting, and it features a thick wooden handle that remains completely cool to the touch so you can safely check on your food without burning your hands. Because it sits flush against your oven's opening, it traps smoke and radiant heat inside, forcing your oven to preheat significantly faster and drastically cutting down on how much wood or fuel you burn through during a cooking session. Click the link below to lock in the absolute best price. Drop a comment letting me know what your absolute favorite pizza toppings are. Make sure to smash that subscribe button for more practical outdoor cooking and DIY backyard gear reviews. And I will see you in the next video.